The following segment is sponsored by Martin, Harding, and Mazzotti.
Thank you, Alyssa. Yesterday, ITT Technical Institute, a college operating since 1969, announced it was closing more than 130 campuses in 38 states, including the one in Colony. The decision comes after the Department of Education announced it was banning the enrollment of new students using federal financial aid. It was instead requiring ITT Tech to make a payment of $153 million to increase its financial reserves. So here to help us examine the issue, kind of explain it, is managing partner Paul Harding from the law firm Martin, Harding & Mazzotti. Thanks for being here,
Sure.
Paul.
Yes.
All right. Can you break it down for us? Why exactly is ITT Tech claiming they've been forced to close their doors? So
we do have one here on Airline Drive in Colony, and by all accounts, the doors are locked. There's no lights or cars there. So what happened is this, is the federal education department's been looking at it saying, you know, you're charging lots of money to get here, but are you really giving what you say you're giving? Are there jobs at the end of this? Are they learning the technical trades that you are purporting to give? And so that's been ongoing. And so what they did is they came forth and said, listen, we want you to put $150 million in sort of a reserve. We'll call it like an escrow account in case something goes wrong. And they are looking at that saying, we can't do it. They're walking away. And really, it's a surprise to everyone, they just shut the doors.
What does that mean to increase the reserves?
Well, I think they kind of smelled trouble along the way, meaning that you pay your tuition beginning of the semester, maybe for the year, and then all of a sudden if day two the college goes away, the student ends up losing. So what happened is they said, look, we want to have this in case either you close the doors, which they did, or two, there's ultimately claims that prove that maybe we're not giving the education and the jobs that you're purporting in your documents.
What about students who are going to ITT Tech in Colony? What happens to them in regard to all those loans they maybe took out to go to school?
Sure. The federal government came out and said, listen, the federally mandated or guaranteed student loans, contact the education department and there will be some forgiveness on those loans. Again, you should look at the website. Is it current students? Is it past students? I don't know. But the other loans that are not federally insured, they're indicating talk to your state Department of Education and see what forgiveness options there are out there. Otherwise, you're going to be stuck with them.
Thank you, Paul.
Sure.
Appreciate you being here. We have